What if I told you a beehive runs like a perfectly organized system? Inside every hive, thousands of bees work together, each with a clear role. At the center is the queen bee. She lays thousands of eggs and ensures the survival of the colony. Then come the worker bees, the busiest of all. They collect nectar, make honey, build the hive and protect it. And then there are the drone bees. Their main role is to support reproduction by mating with the queen. Now think about this. What happens if even one role is missing? The entire system starts to fail. Every bee has a purpose, and timing is everything. Worker bees even change roles as they grow, from cleaning to guarding to foraging. The hive also maintains its own environment. Temperature, structure, and workflow are all controlled naturally. It's not just a hive, it's a system built on balance and teamwork. Next time you see honey, remember the world behind it.